Take cover!
We have stopped the enemy advance. Give me those. Good. Now order our cannon to target their rear units. We'll box them in and blast them to pieces.
We're pinned down!
Commander, bring out the lightning squadron!
I want lightning up here now!
Get the engine back! I'm gonna clear the road!
Sir, the enemy is advancing again. Let me see.
Point of cover! Move it! Let's go! It's all yours, General.
We'll lead the way, Commander.
Forward!
Now that Jedi is leading the attack. This doesn't look good. Concentrate all your fire on those blockers. Did we get him? Should we run? It would be better if we just surrender now.
How many men did we lose?
32, I think, including command crews of 3 walkers. The good news is General Kenobi's broken their lines. We can clear a path straight to the capital now.
This battle was costly. We're going to need help to take the city.
The Republic is advancing faster than I expected.
I calculate they will reach the main gates by morning. I recommend we prepare our retreat.
I will not retreat. That Jedi does not have the troops to take this city. Bring our units inside the walls and secure the bridge.
What's your progress, Skywalker?
My fighters have secured control of the space around Ryloth. We have the Separatist cruisers on the run.
Very good, General Skywalker.
Master Kenobi has taken the Jexuan Desert, so the southern hemisphere is ours.
Then, it's almost over.
Not yet. The key position is the capital of Lesu. Our spies are certain the Separatist leader Wat Tambor has his command center there.
When taken the city we have. Capture Tambor. We must.
It's not going to be easy, Master. Tambor has chosen his stronghold well. This plasma bridge is the only way in or out.
I'm afraid a siege could drag on indefinitely.
My people have suffered so much already.
A plan you have to take the bridge, Master Windu?
With our forces stretched so thinly, I'm going to enlist the help of the Freedom Fighters, led by Sham Syndulla. His fight against the droids has made him a symbol of freedom for the people.
Sham Syndulla was a radical before the war. He is very unpredictable.
He can't be trusted. I know Syndulla seeks to gain power. We were political rivals.
I'll leave the politics to you, Senator. I'm going to do whatever I can to help these people.
Perhaps we could send you Republic reinforcements instead.
There are no reinforcements available, Chancellor.
We can't win without Syndulla's help.